Never ever focus on learning the syntax of any particular programming languages. Instead, focus on learning the basics and fundamentals and concepts very clearly. Take for instance, the behavior, functionalities and construction of a function, for loop, if-else, mathematical operators, logical operators are almost the same in any programming languages of the world. The same goes for data types, object-oriented programming languages and functional programming languages are almost same across all programming language. Take for example, the idea of pointers, memory address and garbage collections are also the same. So it's essential to pick a programming language first and then go deep with that language only. Once you learn the fundamentals and the basic concepts with one programming language only, later on the period you can use the same knowledge set to learn any new programming language that come across your career path. For instance, if you learn how to make a function in C++, the same methodology, the same behavior, the same keyword structure will also be used in Java, C#, PHP and all programming languages. Even the ugliest form of a function can look like this in JavaScript and this in Python. You can see the idea is pretty much same. All you need to do is learn what is function, why do you need function and how to write a function and what are the underlying principles of the function itself. Now the third point is you need to learn how to learn. That's called learnability and the growth mindset. If you stop learning for a year, you risk yourself becoming outdated in this tech world. For example, if I had stopped learning after mastering jQuery, then I would be for sure jobless today. So it's crucial to keep evolving with a growth mindset and the thing in mind that learnability is your great asset in modern technical world. Now another point is don't try to learn all the things at once. You should pick one and learn the underlying principles and fundamentals of the specific technology. For instance, if you want to learn React, you should really focus on learning the JavaScript first and go for React in the next phase. The same goes for ORM. If you want to learn database technologies, you should not firstly focus on the ORM or object relational mapper. You should really focus on learning the database's fundamentals first. Now same goes for WordPress and Laravel and other frameworks. You should pick the language and the fundamentals first and then pick the modern days frameworks on the second phase. The same goes for if anyone want to develop the cloud engineering career or DevOps career track, he should really focus on understanding the underlying networking principles and how Linux operating system works, and he should also focus on understanding the underlying principles of computer architecture. Now, if I want to conclude this section, the main line would be the frameworks, libraries and technologies tools will come and go, but the underlying principles, fundamentals and basic will remain same. The very less important thing all of the software engineer nowadays miss is that to have a concrete plan. You should really draft a plan for yourself, and once you have drafted a plan for yourself, then on the next phase, you should select the according and related technologies, tools, frameworks and languages very carefully. So one day if you pick React, another day if you go to Angular ecosystem, that's really will not help to be a good front-end developer. Same goes for any other technologies in the backend side or in the database or in the cloud engineering side. You will have to have a plan and you will also have to select a specific technology, and after that you should really break down the smaller tasks. The final thing is you should always reconsider the plan. You should always reevaluate, refresh and rework on the same plan again and again to match the current market scenario, trends and your company need. Always consider having good alternatives. From my personal experience, if you want to conclude this entire video, my final take would be try to focus on your energy, time and your age. As time goes by, you will not be able to code late nights, take extra pressures and stress. So your time, energy and age is the most valuable asset in your software development career. So try to evaluate, focus and try to analyze where you are investing them, in which team you are investing and in which technologies are you really investing your time, money, age and energy. And understand that if you're working in a company, your company will never be able to provide you with your preferred technology, tools and frameworks. The plan that you have drafted for yourself and the plan that your company have can be very different. So try to focus on your plan, execute them one by one, break down in smaller pieces, and eventually, for sure, you will see the domino effect of your effort. That's for sure. So that's it everyone. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.